Hello, my students. How are you? Good for today? We'll explain from Moasser book final revision about mathematics first term. Okay, look at with me about first question here. Choose the correct answer. Number one, the result of subtracting 5 tenths from 675 thousandths equal. Okay, we can find the difference. We have the median here. This number is the median, and subtract here it will be 5 tenths. We can write this number 675 thousandths subtracted by 5 tenths. Okay, we can find the difference by equal parts in first step. We must put here double zero behind these digits, and then 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 0 is 7, 6 minus 5 is 1. The result will be 175 thousandths. Choose letter A. It's the difference between two numbers. 8 hundredths. It will be what, right? 8 hundredths. Here, this is hundredths. Subtract by what? Equal 2 hundredths. 8 hundredths subtract by 6 hundredths. Because 8 minus 6 equal to, then the result will be 6 hundredths. Choose letter G. The guess-who factor of 25 and 15 is 5. Okay, 5, we call it guess-who factor between two numbers because 25 is 5 equal 5. And also 15 is 5 product by 3. Then 5 was the guess-who factor between two numbers. This number 5005 divided by 55, I will draw here a standard organism about division. Right here is the dividend 5005 and the divisor will be 55. 5 divided by 55, we can do it. 55 also small than, but 0 also. And then we can write the number here 500 divided by 55. Disappear digit by digit, then 50 divided by 5. We can choose the nearest number here 2 times this number, 2 times 55. The next number here we have in the solution, we have 2 or 1. So we can write 2 times 55. 2 times 5 equal 10, 0 and carry 1. 2 times 5, 10 plus 1 equal 11. Then we have here 110. Understood? 5005 divided by 55. We have double zero here, and we can also choose 9 by 55. 5 times 9 is 45, right? 5 and carry a 4. 5 times 9, 45. 45 plus 4 is 49. This number nearest to 500. Then we can write 9 here out in the quotient and down 495. Then find the difference. 0 minus 9, we can do it. 1, it will be 4, and here 10 by 1, it will be 9, and here 10 minus 5 is 5. And this number 9, 9 minus 9 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0, 5. 55 divided by 5 equal 1. 1 times 55 equal 55. Then the answer will be letter D here. Next question. This number 2487 divided by 31 equal 80. This the remainder what? We want to find the remainder. The remainder we can find the product between divisor and the quotient and the result subtracted from the dividend. Okay? Listen to me about the steps here. To find the remainder, you can use long division or direct product. Two numbers here and the answer subtract from the dividend. Okay? I will do this method. 31 product by 80. And the answer subtracted from the dividend 2487. We can product the numbers here. Write 0 and so 8 times 1 equal 8. 3 times 8 is 24. Then we can find the thousand between the difference between 2487 and this number. We can find the difference will be 7. The difference between together equals 7. This remainder here will be 7. The remainder will be 7. Product by 19ths, product by 17ths. 19ths, product by 17ths. 7 times 9 is 63. The point here after one place and after one place, then the point will be after two places. The result will be 63 hundredths. Okay, 63 hundredths. Choose this E. Number 7. Identify the largest number here. Where is the largest number? The guess number will be what? We have 2013. 2000, but we have here decimal number and this decimal and this decimal. This whole number, 2013, is the greater. He won't find the largest number here. Next question here, number 8. Product by 10. put 0 behind the number, or move the point right hand side by one place. Okay, move the point right hand side by one place, right? 365.2. 365.2. Okay, where is the answer? Next question. 3 is a factor of what? What is the number can divided by 3 equal 18? 18 can divided by 3 because 3 times 6 equal 18. Then 3 is the factor of 18. Next question here, number 2, answers the following question. If m minus 12.40 equals 3.01, then the value of m equal, we can add together. To find the median, you must add subtrahend to the difference. Add together, right? 12 and 40, add to 3 and 1 tenths. 1 plus 0 equal 1, 0 plus 4 equal 4, and 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5, right? 1. The result will be 15 and 41 hundredths. Number 2, Summer walks 6 kilometers per day. If she walks, Samir walks 6 kilometers per day. If he walks for 145 days in a year, how many kilometers does he walk? Okay, 60 meters per day. One day he moved walking 6 kilometers every day. Example, if he walks 145 days in the year, how many kilometers? He asked about the number of kilometers does he walk. We can product the number 6 and 145. 5 times 6 equals 30, 0 and the carry of 3. 4 times 6 equals 24, 24 plus 3 equals 27, 7 and the carry of 2. 1 times 6 equals 6 plus 2 equals 8. The result will be 870 kilometer. Next question. Which is the smaller, the value of the digit 2 in the number here, 1.5 and 2, or the value of digit 1 in this number? Okay, the value of digit 2 here, it will be 0.0 and 2 hundredths. And the value of digit 2, 1 here, it will be 1 tenths. Then 1 tenths greater than 2 hundredths. Then we must choose what? The value of digit 1, where in the number. We must choose this, the value of the digit 1 in the number 8.15 is greater than. Okay. Next question, number 4. What is the number that when we divide it by 65 gives a quotient 25 and the remainder 6? We can find here the dividend. The dividend, we can find the dividend. Remember the rule, the dividend equal divisor multiplication is the quotient and then 8 to the remainder. We must product first 65 and 25 product together and then add the remainder together, 86. Okay, the first step here, product dividend and divisor, 65, product by 25, and then we can add 6. 65, product by 25, 5 plus 5, 25, 5 and carry up to 5 times 6, 30, 30 plus 2 is 32. And then 2 times 5, 10, 0 and carry up 1. 2 times 6, 12 plus 1 equals 18, and then collect together, write 5. 2, 3 plus 3 equals 6, and write 1. We have 1625, and then we can add 6. 6 plus 5, 11, 1 and carry up 1, 2 plus 1, 3, right, 6 and 1, 1631. Next question here, number 5. Arrange the following number in ascending order from smallest to greatest. The smallest number here will be 4.044. And then 4.0, okay, we must put 0 here. Again, put 0 here to equivalent the number 4.040, 4.044. And we have 4 point, okay, write with me, 4.004 and 0, and here 4.4, write double 0, and here 4.4, write 0. I will equivalent first the parts. Find here the equivalent about all parts first, okay? And this number 4.04 and 4, and here 4.44 and 4. Then now I will arrange the numbers. The smallest number here will be this number 1, or and number 2, 4.0. No. We have 4.04 first. Okay, pay attention. We have 4.400. I want 4.04 or 4.044. This number 1. Okay. And this number 2. Number 3. We have 4.400. Okay, this number 3. And number 4 here. And this number 5. In the order will be here 1. And this number 2. And here number 3. The last one, number 4, he wants ascending from smallest to greatest. Okay. Next question here down. If the perimeter of the shape here is 13.5 meter, what does the value of x? We know the perimeter equals sum of all ocular sides. Then we have x plus 3.4 plus 3.15 plus 4.7. They are 13.5. 13.5 here. We can collect, right? X plus collect with 0 here to equal parts. 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 and carry up 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3 equal 11. Then the value of x equal 13.5 subtract by 11 by 25. Write 0 here to equal parts. And 0 1 here 4 and this 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. And 4 minus 2 equal 2. And 3 minus 1 equal 2. The result will be 2 and 25 hundredths. Okay, next question. Find the guess factor between two numbers here. And this multiplication, we have 11 and 2. We know 11 and 2, we call it relatively prime numbers. This is the guess factor between them equal 1. And this multiplication between them equal 2 times 11 equal 22. Understood? 11 and 2, we called it relatively prime numbers. Then the guess factor between them equal 1. And this multiplication between them equal their product. Okay, let's finish question now. Next time I will complete next one. Okay, goodbye.